desk, so I added this attachment that slots
So,
onto
ayan
the
po,
dumpster to
guys.
hold the garbage can underneath. So
Bago
now
po
I can use my main
ay,
dumpster to my desk.
ngayon po,
I
Galing
added
ah.
a 3D printable dumpster to help
bago
with
po mag-ano,
These would be my rules. Rule
manonood
number 1,
muna
I
po
won't take
kami.
extra classes just
Ito
because other
muna
teachers
po
are
yung vlog
absent. You can go and
namin.
play football with your PE teacher. Rule number 2, no calling you
Sorry
dumb
po
for
kung
asking the same
magulo.
question twice. If you
Mabigat
didn't
po
understand it the
kasi
first time,
ito.
I'll explain it the second time. Rule number 3, I won't force you to do algebra. We're not finding your ex. She's gone, bro. Move on. Rule number 4, I agree with students who say math stands for mental attack to healthy students. Rule number 5, if it is raining outside, I won't force you to
Uy,
complete
huwag
the
kayong
math
malikot.
syllabus. Rule number 6, if class is about to end in 6 to 7 minutes, I won't teach you overtime. You can leave. Rule number 7, no more extra homework just because you didn't pay attention in class. But do you like me as your school's math teacher?
Nanonood
If I was your
po
school
kami sa
math teacher, these
pinsan
would be
po
my rules.
namin.
Rule number 1, I won't...
Video po namin to. Ayan po siya. Ayan po siya. Ayan po siya. Ayan po. Ayan po. Malikot lang po kasi yung pinsan ko.
Pancake. I'm a pancake.
Tapos ayun po yung ano po namin. Eto. Ayan po yung nag-vlog po kanina, yung tiga-vlogger po kanina. Ayun, nagwaki. Ayun lang, masasabi niya. Tapos ayun po yung mga pinsan na. Ito yung bulilit dito sa buong mundo. Ayan o. And ito siya. Ano? So, kaganina ito pala yung mga nanonood sa channel ni Dean, ay ni Daniel. So, pwede nang tawagin si Daniel na Dean kasi ano lang yun, nickname niya lang. Kumbaga hindi niya yun yung real name. Kumbaga nickname niya lang. So, bago muna tayo magkwentuhan, yung kukwento namin nakakatakot. Huwag niyo nakakatakot, wag na nakakatakot. Kung natatakot kayo, wag na kayo sumali. Ayun lang. Tapos mag-like and subscribe na kayo. Tapos i-share nyo na rin ito sa kaibigan nyo. Kung ayaw nyo manood, dun na kayo. Wag, umalis na kayo sa aking vlog. Magugulo lang. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe. Let's go! Oh, naiiyak